Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shamshad Khan. If you want to learn English, I will teach you easy English without grammar by daily use sentences. So, let's start. क्या तुम उससे बात करना चाहते हो? Do you want to talk to him? जी हाँ, मैं उससे बात करना चाहता हूँ. Yes, I want to talk to him. अगर तुम उससे बात करना चाहते हो तो उसे कॉल करो. If you want to talk to him, so call him. मैंने उसे कॉल की थी. I did call him. मैंने उसे कई बार कॉल की. I called him several times. I called him several times. पर उसने मेरी कॉल अटेंड नहीं की. But he did not attend my call. हो सकता है वो अपने काम में मसरूफ़ हो. Maybe he was busy in his work. Maybe he was busy in his work. उसे तुमसे बात करनी चाहिए. He should talk to you. क्या तुम एक कार खरीदोगे? Will you buy a car? मैं गाड़ी नहीं खरीदूँगा. I will not buy a car. तुम क्यों गाड़ी नहीं खरीदोगे? Why will you not buy a car? तुम्हें गाड़ी खरीदनी चाहिए क्योंकि तुम्हें ज़रूरत है. You should buy a car because you need it. मैं गाड़ी खरीदना चाहता हूँ पर मेरे पास पैसे नहीं. I want to buy a car but I have no money. क्या तुम वहाँ जा सकते हो उसकी मदद के लिए? Can you go there to help him? मैं उसकी मदद करने वहाँ नहीं जा सकता. I can't go there to help him. I can't go there to help him. तुम वहाँ उसकी मदद करने क्यों नहीं जा सकते? Why can't you go there to help him? क्योंकि मैं अपने काम में मसरूफ़ हूँ. Because I am busy in my work. तुम्हें वहाँ उसकी मदद करने जाना चाहिए. You should go there to help him. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try to my best. क्या वो यहाँ आना चाहता है? Does he want to come here? वो यहाँ नहीं आना चाहता. He doesn't want to come here. वो यहाँ क्यों नहीं आना चाहता? Why doesn't he want to come here? क्योंकि वो अपने काम में बहुत बिजी है. Because he is so busy in his work. वो यहाँ आना चाहता था. He wanted to come here. वो यहाँ नहीं आना चाहता था. He did not want to come here. वो यहाँ आना चाहेगा. He would like to come here. वो यहाँ नहीं आना चाहेगा. He would not like to come here. He would not like to come here. मैं अपना काम करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do my work. मैं अपना काम करना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to do my work. मैं अपना काम करना चाहता था. I wanted to do my work. मैं अपना काम करना चाहूँगा. I would like to do my work. मुझे अपना काम करना पसंद है. I like to do my work. मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ पर मैं इंग्लिश नहीं सीख सकता. I want to learn English but I can't learn English. क्या तुम उससे मिलना चाहते हो? Do you want to meet him? मैं उसे पसंद करता हूँ पर वो मुझे पसंद नहीं करता. I like him but he doesn't like me. मैं उसकी मदद करता हूँ पर वो मेरी मदद नहीं करता. I help him but he doesn't help me. मैं उसे बोलने देता हूँ पर वो मुझे नहीं बोलने देता. I let him speak but he doesn't let me speak.